When your Samsung refrigerator's door shelf cracks or breaks, it feels like a small kitchen tragedy. You lose valuable storage space. Your condiments tumble. But fear not, because the Rimous DA97-12650A refrigerator door shelf is here. This replacement shelf is a perfect fit. It slides right into the right-hand side of your Samsung fridge. It replaces models like DA63-07104A and DA63-06963A. Furthermore, it feels sturdy. It holds all your jars and bottles securely. This Rimous Samsung fridge door shelf and gifts kit truly revitalizes your fridge's organization. Moreover, installation is simple. Even a novice can do it. So, your fridge will look brand new again. However, Rimous doesn't just stop there. They understand the little things. Therefore, they include a thoughtful bonus. You receive 5 cute refrigerator magnets. These magnets are charming. They add a touch of personality to your kitchen. Additionally, a handy food storage container is included. This container is practical. It's perfect for leftovers. It keeps food fresh. Ultimately, this entire package offers more than just a shelf. It offers convenience and joy. The Rimous Samsung fridge door shelf and gifts is a complete solution. It tackles a common household problem. It also adds delightful extras. In conclusion, this Rimous DA97-12650A shelf is a lifesaver. It is a necessary upgrade. The added gifts are a pleasant surprise. They make the purchase even better. You will appreciate the sturdy construction. Also, the easy installation is a huge plus. This product truly delivers. It exceeds expectations. Hence, your fridge will thank you. The improved organization is amazing. Therefore, consider this Rimous Samsung fridge door shelf and gifts kit. It is a smart investment. It improves your kitchen's functionality. You will surely be satisfied. Pros: quality is great, good value for money, easy to fit in my fridge, looks durable, can hold the items, best shelves, fits fridge dimensions, no problem filtering reviews, verified purchase. Helpful review. Cons: no mentioned, all feedback is positive, user is highly satisfied, focus on proper ordering. Emphasizes product fit features. Direct replacement part, fits Samsung refrigerators, right side door bin, includes 5 cute magnets, comes with storage container, easy to install, clear plastic design, durable construction, keeps food organized. OEM part numbers matched. This is a replacement door shelf bin for your Samsung refrigerator's right side. It's designed to fit perfectly, just like the original part. Matching OEM numbers DA97-12650A, DA63-07104A, and DA63-06963A. The bin is made of clear, strong plastic, so it's durable and helps you keep your food organized. It's also easy to install. As a bonus, it comes with 5 cute refrigerator magnets and a food storage container. The Rimous DA97-12650A refrigerator door shelf is a great replacement part for Samsung refrigerators. It's a good value because it's easy to install and fits perfectly in the fridge. Users are very happy with its quality, saying it looks strong and can hold items well. It also comes with cute magnets and a food storage container, making it an excellent purchase.